Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular hair clippers, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the TPOB Slime 2. In this video, we will examine their features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're looking for a clipper for personal use or professional grooming, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed specifically for self-haircuts, featuring a curved blade that allows for easy maneuvering around the head. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 is aimed at professional use, boasting a sleek design and a taper blade that is perfect for achieving precise fades. While both clippers are cordless and rechargeable, their intended uses set them apart significantly. When it comes to performance, the TPOB Slime 2 features a high-speed motor operating at 6,800 RPM, providing efficient cutting powers. The ceramic blades ensure cooler operation and sharper cuts, making it ideal for professional barbers. On the other hand, the Remington Shortcut Pro, while effective for self-haircuts, does not match the motor speed of the TPOB, which may affect cutting efficiency during prolonged use. In terms of pricing, the Remington Shortcut Pro is priced at $64, making it an affordable option for those who need a reliable self-haircutting tool. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 comes at a premium price of $126, reflecting its professional-grade features and capabilities. The choice between these two products may ultimately depend on your budget and intended use. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Remington Shortcut Pro and the TPOB Slime 2 hair clippers. We hope this video helped you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each product. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.